In this video, we are going to show you how to replace your front driver's side inner fender liner. Now, what you're probably going to notice is we have the front wheel off. You do not need to remove the front wheel. I only did it so you can see the two mounting bolts that are located in this area. They're very easily accessible from under the vehicle. You'll also notice across the front under this area, we're missing our front splash shield. If you still have yours, there might potentially be other hardware that you're going to have to remove and then reinstall. Let's start removing our mounting hardware. Now, as we make our way this way, keep in mind we are missing that splash shield. There it is, friends. Now we can get ready to install our brand new fender liner. Let's start in our mounting bolts along the side. Once you have each of those started, go ahead and snug them up. Now we'll make our way across to the rest of our mounting hardware. Get this lined up. Snug that one up. And then you just want to continue down the line. Okay, we finished installing our inner fender liner. At this point, you just want to make sure it's completely secured. After that, go ahead and take your vehicle for a road test. Make sure you don't hear any funny noises. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.